How to access the professional development course. Registration. Go to 3pitech.com and click in Education, then Professional Development Overview. Click in Access Course. To register, add your email, accept the terms of use and privacy, and click Continue Registration. Fill in your information and click Submit. Taking the course. Click in Professional Development Training and select 3D Printing in the Classroom 2.0. Enroll in the course. If it's your first time, click to launch from Section 1. If you are returning, select a launch from the section where you left off. Click Start the course and start your course. At the end of each chapter, take the quiz to test your knowledge. Certificate of Completion. Log in with your account and click EDU Bundle Survey and Certificate. Click Complete Enrollment. Enter the PD card code into the promo code field. If you purchase the 3D45 EDU bundle or 3D40 Flex EDU bundle, the PD code can be found in the insert that came with the printer. If you purchase the professional development directly on the website, the card with the code that it was mailed to you. The code can be found at the bottom of the card. Click Apply, then begin checkout. Check the box to agree with refund policy and click Complete Purchase. Your transaction receipt will be displayed. Click Home at the top left. Click Professional Development and Training. Click EDU Bundle Survey and Certificate. Click Launch and take the survey. After the survey, the download certificate will be available. Click the link that will pop up and the download will begin.